Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jessica, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and make sure to also hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every time I upload, which is every Wednesday and Sunday. And also, while you're down there, make sure to hit that notification bell because it will notify you every time I upload. So yeah, for today's video, I have my current favorites. I have stopped doing monthly favorites because I really don't try out that many products per month. So I felt like it was kind of useless for me to upload one every month. But I might do one like every season or so. I think that would be a really good idea for me doing my favorites for you guys. But if you guys like favorites videos, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing down below. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So let's go ahead and get right into my favorite. Alrighty, so I only have a few favorites for this kind of session of favorites. I think I'll just start off with my new favorite. I got a new phone. I got the iPhone XR Max, iPhone 10 Max or whatever. I got the bigger one, so this is what it looks like. I still have my own old phone case on it because I haven't gone to get a case for this one yet, but it's the one that doesn't have the home button or anything. I really thought that I would never get an iPhone that didn't have the home button because I feel like it's such an inconvenience. But I've had this a few days now and it's okay. It's not like my favorite thing. Like, I don't think it's totally necessary, if that makes sense. But I think it's a really cool, like, addition to the iPhone. I think it's different. So like the full screen now is just, you know, the screen. So I'm sorry, people are texting me, but anyway, so it's really nice. I really like it. It's not really different. Like, I have all the same apps and stuff, and it's not really any different, but I really do like it so far. I'm going to get a new case for it and a screen protector and everything like that. So that is one of my current favorites of this right now, I guess you could say. Let's go into beauty favorites. My first favorite is this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is more than a concealer. I have mine in the shade 405 Caramel. Toffee Caramel? Caramel Toffee? I don't know. But I really like this. I have it on today. I don't focus. So this is one of my favorite concealers. I'm wearing it today. It's just so full coverage and so easy to blend. It blends seamlessly into so many other foundations as well. I don't have on foundation today. I literally just have on this concealer. It's so good for those no makeup days where you want something to like hide your under eye circles, maybe hide a pimple or two. If you just plop this on, I swear people will think that you have the most flawless skin ever, but it's really just this concealer. I absolutely love it. It's pretty pricey at the drugstore, I feel, but it does have one of those really large doe foot applicators like the Tarte Shape Tape. I really do enjoy these big applicators because I feel like you get so much more surface area and you don't have to keep dipping your applicator into the bottle or anything. But I really like this. If you guys haven't tried this out, I highly suggest it. My mom really likes this concealer. I let her try it and she actually went out and bought her own, so that's how you know she really likes it when she goes out and gets her own. But yeah, I really like this. Going along with that concealer is the foundation. I actually did a first impression on this foundation. If you guys want to go ahead and check that out, I'll have that video linked down below for you. But this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I need to go down a shade in this, but I feel like I shouldn't because I know that the summer is coming and I'm going to be really tan. So I'll see, but I really like this foundation. It is so beautiful on the skin. It just gives you this nice, natural, healthy looking skin. Like, it's not really cakey. It doesn't look like you're wearing like a foundation mask or anything like that. It's just so nice, so lovely on the skin. I use this with a brush and it looks so beautiful. I personally don't really like it with a sponge. I feel like it shears it out a little bit too much. I also apply this with a brush as well, if you guys are wondering. And I just feel like it gives you the most beautiful color coverage. It's not super high coverage, but I definitely think you could build it up to be that. But I think this is a great medium to full coverage foundation, and I just think it's so nice for probably like the spring and summertime because it's not super heavy on your skin, so it won't like feel like you're wearing a lot of makeup. And in the summertime, that is definitely not something that I like because of the humidity here in New York. So I'm really excited to try this out for the summertime as well, but it's really an awesome foundation. My last beauty favorite of the month is this Essence Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss. I love this lip gloss so much. It is not sticky at all. It is just so glossy. It makes your lips look so plump and juicy. It's just so cute. It smells so good. It smells like candy too. It's amazing. As you guys can see, I didn't have any lip product on before this, and look how juicy my lips look. Like, this lip gloss is amazing, and I think it's like at the most $3 at Ulta because Essence is so inexpensive. I really want to do like a video on like all of Essence's products that I love because there's so many hidden gems in the Essence line. I also really like their Gimme Brow, their Make Me Brow, I guess. It's like a dupe for Benefit Gimme Brow. It is so good. But this lip gloss, guys, do you see it? It's amazing. Still kind of beauty stuff. If you guys see my nails, I did get my nails done, but I did them at home. I'm using these Kiss Press-On Revolutionary Acrylic Nails. I have these in the square medium length. They just look like this. I picked this up from my local Walmart, and these are the ones that you use with the glue. I really like the press-on ones from Kiss that are the where they have like the like sticky stuff, like you just peel it and place it on your nails. The Impress Gel Manicure, those are amazing as well. But I really like these because they just look so natural. Like, I wore these as well. I got these in like the almond shape, and the almonds are a little bit long, so I cut them down and they looked so natural. I didn't even polish them, and they just look like my natural nails, and they look so good. These last me like a week and a half or so before they start like popping off and whatnot, but I just re-glue them and then I'm like good to go. It's not anything like I have to like throw the whole nail away, but these are so amazing. It says you can wear them natural or polished. I really like them both ways. This is the first time I actually polished them. This is Essie Bikini Sotini. This is my favorite color for springtime. It's just so perfect, and I feel like it makes your nails look so cute. So I have been loving these nails because I feel like going to the salon was just getting so expensive for me, and it really wasn't in my budget, but I made it work for my budget, you know. And I just found myself going to the salon, and I was trying to like stretch it out for as long as I can, but I found that these look the exact same, if not better. I can change the color whenever I want. I can change the shape whenever I want. And it's just so easy to pop on. And when I have an event or something that I want to go to, I can just pop these on and I don't have to worry about going to the salon, and it's so easy to apply. Now for the top coat that I've been loving, it's the P2 Be Strong Base and Top Coat. I picked this up from Walmart once again when I was looking at those nails because I really I don't have a lot of nail polish because I have been getting my nails done, I want to say, for like the past like 4 years or so. I've been getting the dip powder, gel nails, anything like that. I have been getting it, so I really don't have as much nail polish as I used to, so I really need to re-up. What are your guys' favorite colors for like spring and summer? Definitely let me know. But this base coat looks so good. My nails look so shiny and like just so glossy. I love a glossy top coat, and this definitely does that for me. It's only a couple of dollars at Walmart. I really do like the Sesh Beat one from Sally's, but it's so expensive. So I just really like this one. It's really great for these nails. I haven't tried this on my natural nails yet, but I'll let you guys know when I do. But I love this top coat. It has just been so nice. So love that as well. I have one hair favorite, and I guess this could be technically beauty. This is my face scrubber brush that I picked up from Amazon. I used this in my Get Unready With Me video. If you guys haven't checked that out, I definitely suggest it. It's like take my makeup off of me, my skincare routine, everything like that. But this has really changed my skin. It is so nice. I love the little bristles on it because I didn't want to get a facial brush because I feel like those can just hold bacteria and it's just nasty to me. So this was the perfect alternative because you can just wash this with hot water and like there's no way that like, you know, bacteria can get stuck in the bristles and everything because it is like silicone. So it's really nice. You just turn it on and it vibrates and you can like do it higher or lower. So, but it's totally up to you, but I love this. I picked this up on Amazon. Like I said, it's just made my skin feel so soft and it gives my skin such a deep clean. It's so amazing. I absolutely love that. A hair favorite, which is my Tangle Teaser brush. I got this for Christmas actually from my parents, and I love this brush so much for when I'm detangling, deep conditioning, just day to day, just, you know, brushing through my hair. I love this brush so much. It's so nice. I like it more than the wet brush, honestly, because I feel like it really grips my hair and gets all of the knots and tangles out. This is great for wet hair as well. I use this when I get out of the shower, and it's just such a good brush. If you guys don't have a Tangle Teaser brush, I highly suggest it, especially if you have curly hair. I know that a lot of curly hair girls use this to detangle their hair and it works really well for them as well. I obviously have relaxed hair, but this still works so great, and I think it would be great for all different hair types as well. And yeah, I picked this up from Ulta. I believe my mom said that she picked it up from Ulta, so definitely check out Ulta and you won't be sorry. It'll change your hair life, I promise you. Especially if you get a lot of tangles, you need this. Next up, I just have some like random favorites. I have my Converse. I love them so much. I wanted a pair of white Converse for years now. I just love the look of white Converse on your feet. I picked these up from, I forgot where, Kohl's? They were having a sale on shoes, so I just picked these up. They're so cute, so comfortable. They're great for leg day at the gym. I did mention that in my haul because they are flat, so you get like a really stable footing on your feet. I just love them for spring and summer. I think styling Converse is just so easy. You can pair them with like a cute sundress and make it a little bit more casual. You can pair them with jeans and a cute top, some like jean shorts, jean skirt, and a cute little top or bodysuit, and I think they're just so easy to style and just so cute and so summery, and I absolutely love them, and I'm so excited that I finally got them. Lastly, for my favorites, I have this pair of headphones here. I love these headphones. These are the Let's Come earbuds. I picked these up from Amazon. I will have them linked down below for you guys. I love these because they look like Beats, but they're a lot less expensive than Beats, and they're wireless, so I love wearing these in the gym. They don't fall out of my ears like the AirPods did. I don't know how people work out in AirPods because I guess my ears sweat a lot, and the AirPods just fell out of my ears like so many times. I was like, no, I can't do this. I don't want it. So these work really well. I guess I need earphones that go over my ears when I'm working out so that they don't fall out, but I love these so much. They pair up with my phone completely fine. The battery power lasts so long on these, and it also comes up on your phone how much battery you have left in the little like Bluetooth area where the battery percentage is, and I just love wearing them like around my neck and just having them. They're just so easy. I'm able to charge my phone while listening to music, and it's just amazing. I love these so much, and they're pretty inexpensive. I know they're less than $25, so I will have these linked down below for you guys as well. But that is it for this favorites video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And if you guys have any video requests, definitely let me know down below and I will do them for you guys. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. Everything is linked down below as well. And yeah, I love you girls so much. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.